Hello everybody, how are you? I am Muhammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: you are working in a local paint supply store when a customer comes in with a color sample and asks you to mix paint that will match the color she wants. Take you have received training using the color mixing machine, which included hands-on experience. You have never used it on your own with a customer watching. With what would be best action to take to ensure you mix the paint correctly and learn from the experience? The correct answer of the question: call a co-worker over to assist you by monitoring what you are doing and offering help if you need it. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.